Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Just wanted to talk really quickly about how mindfulness can actually help you have better sex. Here's the thing. There's so many things that take us out of our body or keep us stuck in our head and have us struggling to stay present, right? Stress, distractions in our environment, like social media and stuff and scrolling and game playing and all of that takes us out of our body. And so mindfulness practices help us get in tune with our breath, get in tune with our body, and reconnect with ourselves. And so without that connection, it's really, really hard to be present with our partner, even when we're doing solo sex. So having a daily practice or a regular practice of mindfulness can really help you to sort of build those muscles, right? To kind of grow that skill, because then when you're in intimate moments, either by yourself or with someone else, you can really stay present to your breath and to your body. And that is huge, right? Especially for vulva owners, right? So, but even for penis owners, like being able to control your breath and control the energy flow inside of you can help you have more satisfying sex, have longer sex if that's something you're wanting to do, right? But just make it all so much more intense and yeah. And so just being able to be present is a challenge a lot of times. And so if you're not able to be present during your intimate times, especially if you're, in a relationship with someone else and it's maybe, you've been in it for a little while, if you're not feeling safe to be fully embodied, then that's something you need to explore. And if you're not able to really stay connected to your body, so if you're dissociating, those are things that you need to explore and question, right? And I feel like a lot of people, especially vulva owners, just kind of give up. They just decide, it's really not that important, or this seems like too much work and it's not worth the effort. But I really, I hope that through these videos, you're connecting to the fact that it is vitally important. It is part of our vitality. And so whether you're using it for, sexual pleasure, or you're just using that energy to stoke creativity and imagination and, you're just enjoying that energy to engage in all of the other sensual aspects of life, then that's hugely beneficial to your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. So hopefully you're getting that message that it's not just about sexual acts and it's not just about orgasms. It's about so much more, but they're all so vitally important to our overall health. So I hope this helps. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thanks for joining me.